Round 2 na to mga idol. Round 2 na.
Get ready. Second round. Bayan, Vicente Nigel Sanchez and Royce Cho. Please come forward to ring the fight director.
Bahala na kung sino tama.
Featuring Vicente Nigel Sanchez Bayan and Royce Cho. Please proceed to ring the fight director now.
Ladies and gentlemen, bout number 32. Referee stop contest in the round 3. Winner, Adrian Pinasso. Representing Lourdes South side. Next bout, Vincent Manchon. In the red corner versus Gian Ken Reno. On the ring A, ladies and gentlemen, we have a unanimous decision from Sukat, Mark Makuta. For Invincible, the same legal opportunities. Please get ready. Mark Lawrence Lopez, Brooke Miguel Gilligan, please get ready. Vincent
10 seconds mga idol. Okay. Second round.
for Invincible, Jose Inigo,
So, nagtapos yung second round mga idol.
Gian Ken Reno.